Welcome to Nuance Art. If you're passionate about home design, interior ideas, and unique living spaces, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a truly special design concept, the stone house, and how it blends seamlessly with nature. Imagine a home nestled deep in the forest, constructed with stone, where every element of design promotes peace, tranquility, and a deep connection to the natural world. This serene retreat is not just a house, but a sanctuary that allows you to escape from the noise of modern life. If you love unique homes that harmonize with the environment, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below telling us what your dream nature retreat would look like. A stone house offers a timeless, rugged appeal that works beautifully in forest settings. Its robust structure not only stands out, but also integrates effortlessly with the surroundings. Constructed from locally sourced stone, these homes reflect the natural beauty of the land and are designed to withstand the test of time. By using materials from the very environment surrounding it, the stone house serves as a tribute to the natural landscape. Whether it's limestone, granite, or river stone, these materials provide the perfect combination of strength, durability, and aesthetic appeal. The texture of the stone, both inside and out, brings a sense of grounding and connection to the earth, making the home feel like it's always been a part of the forest. Choosing the perfect location for a stone house is paramount to its success in blending with nature. Ideally, these homes are tucked into remote areas, deep within the forest, where towering trees surround and wildlife thrives. The forest provides a natural buffer from the outside world, making the home a peaceful retreat. Imagine waking up to the sound of birds chirping and the fresh, crisp air of the forest. The right location allows for the stone house to become a natural extension of the landscape. The house could be perched near a mountain overlook, hidden in a valley, or even along a stream, offering not only solitude, but also a constant reminder of the beauty and peace that nature provides. Incorporating natural light is essential in creating a serene, inviting stone house. Expansive windows and skylights are strategically placed to allow the beauty of the outdoors to filter inside. These windows frame stunning views of the forest, letting you feel as if you are always connected to the natural world. The interior is flooded with light during the day, casting soft shadows that create a calming atmosphere. Open floor plans are common in stone houses, with wide, flowing spaces that invite you to move freely between rooms. The layout encourages a sense of openness and balance, which mirrors the freedom and serenity of the outdoors. You'll feel like your home is one with the forest around it, rather than a structure that is separate from it. Sustainability is at the heart of a stone house's design, especially when it's built in the deep forest. Many of these homes use eco-friendly methods to ensure minimal impact on the environment. For example, rainwater harvesting systems can be installed to collect water for daily use, and solar panels are often placed on the roof to reduce energy consumption. Stone houses also make use of natural insulation, which keeps the home warm in winter and cool in summer without the need for excessive heating or cooling. This sustainability ensures that the home has a minimal carbon footprint while still offering maximum comfort. Living in a stone house allows you to not only feel connected to nature, but also contribute to its preservation. A stone house in the forest isn't just about what's inside, it's about creating an immersive experience that extends outdoors. Spacious patios, fire pits, and terraces create perfect spaces to unwind and enjoy the natural surroundings. Imagine stepping outside your home onto a stone patio that overlooks a lush green valley or a peaceful pond. The use of stone continues in the landscaping, with paths made of cobblestone or natural stone leading to different areas of the property. Outdoor spaces are designed to integrate seamlessly with the surrounding forest, with seating areas tucked under the canopy of trees, allowing you to enjoy the sights and sounds of the forest in comfort and style. The interior of a stone house is as important as the exterior in achieving that perfect harmony with nature. Expect to see earthy tones, wooden beams, stone walls, and natural fabrics filling the rooms. The design emphasizes simplicity and functionality, allowing the materials and natural beauty of the environment to shine. Furniture often has a rustic charm, with pieces made from reclaimed wood or natural fibers. A stone fireplace may serve as the focal point of the living area, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Large, comfortable sofas and soft, plush rugs invite relaxation, and the overall decor emphasizes organic textures that mimic the natural surroundings. The space is both luxurious and humble, with a focus on comfort and timeless elegance. To enhance the connection with nature, many stone houses feature indoor plants and greenery, further blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living. Plants are strategically placed throughout the home, bringing life and vibrancy to the stone walls. Large potted plants, hanging greenery, and even small indoor gardens create a soothing, organic atmosphere. This not only adds beauty, but also contributes to improved air quality, making the home feel even more connected to the forest outside. The colors of the plants complement the neutral tones of the stone, creating a calming and peaceful ambience throughout the home. One of the greatest appeals of a stone house deep in the forest is the privacy and seclusion it offers. These homes are often surrounded by dense trees, which create a natural boundary that shields them from the outside world. The dense forest acts as a natural privacy barrier, so you can enjoy the beauty and tranquility of your home without the worry of prying eyes. Whether you're relaxing on the porch or enjoying a cup of coffee by the window, you can do so in complete solitude. This sense of privacy allows the homeowners to truly immerse themselves in nature and find peace away from the distractions of modern life. A stone house deep in the forest is more than just a place to live, it's a way of life. It's a perfect blend of natural beauty, sustainable design, and timeless architecture that promotes peace and tranquility. This serene retreat allows you to feel completely connected to the environment, whether you're inside or outside the home. If this kind of home design excites you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing home design ideas. Share your thoughts with us. What's your dream nature retreat like? Until next time, we hope this stone house inspires you to reconnect with nature and find your own peaceful sanctuary.